Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2025 BMW X2 xDrive28i in Utah Orange Metallic. Alright, so this is the 2025 BMW X2 xDrive28i in Utah Orange Metallic. So yeah, this is actually a demo from 2025. And it is newly arrived and sold. However, I haven't featured a single X1 or X2 in Utah Orange Metallic because it's such a uncommon color that it doesn't come up often. And we had this opportunity today because we have this one sold now, so it is nice and clean, so I can really show off the paint color. And once we've done this full lap, we can take a closer look at all the details. So this is Utah Orange Metallic. It's available on the X1 and the X2. I think it's interesting that we even offer an orange color at all. It's probably one of the lowest uptakes of color choices that we have on this model. But it does look really cool. So you can see we've got a body line that comes off of the A-pillar and swoops in. Same thing on the other side. And then we've got two in the center here. BMW rondelle up front and center. We have the one-piece brushed aluminum kidney grille with these diamond patterns all over. And you can see back there, there's some active grille shutters. Same thing as the bottom down here. And we have the split chin, which is part of BMW's new design language. And you can also see we've got some sensors here. And an interesting design here where you've got air going into here and you've got sort of this three-dimensional shape. So this is the non-M Sport design, which I think it looks fine. And I'm just going to hit unlock so we can get the headlights on here. And if I press and hold panic for 1 second, full low beam system as per the pathway lighting. So now that we've got the headlights on, let's take a closer look. So these are the BMW LED headlights. And I love all of these little designs and stuff in the actual lights. It makes for a really cool look. And definitely, when you see these lights coming up behind you, you'll instantly recognize there's a BMW here. So that looks pretty sweet. Now when we come to the side, you'll see that we have the 19-inch V-spoke 867M wheels, 867 wheels in midnight gray burnished. So that's pretty cool. We have the plastic over fender. And we have the plastic rocker panel that has these diamond patterns all over it as well. Body colored side mirror with integrated turn signal. Glass roof up top. And here's your side profile. Very Sports Activity Coupe design. And we've got the brushed aluminum window surrounds. We have the flush integrated door handles with touch comfort access on the front. We have the new style antenna up top. And there's your rear 867 wheel. We've got the spoiler on the back. And let's get back here to look at these tail lights. So new tail light design on this X2. We have a little camera here, rear view camera. This is actually a little thing to open this. And down here you'll see that we've got some vertical reflectors and a massive diffuser. And if you actually look underneath, you'll see the muffler that does have an exhaust opening. So I've got the key with me. We could press the BMW rondelle to open this, but let's do the kick. So once that opens up, let's take a look inside. We have a cargo cover here. So these strings lift it up so you can access your contents a little bit easier. We do have a grocery bag hanger on each side in here. There's a little netted area on one side. plastic bin on the other side with a 12-volt plug, emergency handle, and some illumination. If I lift this up, there's more space down here. And once we're done, there's a button up top to close, another one to close and lock in one step. But we can kick to have this close the hands-free way. And there you have it. Fuel cap doors on the passenger side. It is connected to the central locking system. BMW is looking for 91 octane. It's counterclockwise, one click to open this. There's a little spot to put this. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click, and you can shut the door. BMW welcome light exists. It's kind of fading, so I just hit unlock so we can get it come back on. Now if I look into the rear door, so we have your door pull, window switch, speaker, big door pocket. Winter mats are in. You can see some illumination. There's also some vents underneath there. And here's the black interior. You'll see that we have headrests in the center that can flip up or flip down. Armrests in the center as well with some cup holders. There's a seatbelt up here that can come down and attach down here for a center passenger seatbelt. And we have this string. We have this string. And we have another string there. So pulling the strings will result in the seats folding down in a 40, 20, 40 split. And when you put the seat back up, 1, 2, 3 positions for recline. Up top, reading lights, handle, coat hanger. Same thing on the other side as well. And on the back of the center console, we've got some vents, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and there's a little storage area down there as well. So now that we've had a chance to look at the back of the X2, let's shut this door. We'll open the front door next. So once that front door is opened up, you'll see we have some ambient light here, window switch, big door pockets, speaker, full power seat. We also have big side bolsters. Headrest can also be adjusted up or down manually. And over here, nice soft touch dash, some vents, ambient light strip, glove box down here. And we have iDrive9 on the curved display. Some more vents, max front defrost, rear defrost. There's your wireless charger. There's a little seat belt here for your phone. And we have cup holders, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, 12-volt plug, push start button, 4-way flashers, volume wheel, gear selector, and this little button so you can put your pencil in there. And more storage space down here. So now that we've had a chance to look through the passenger door, let's shut this door and we'll go to the driver's side next. All right, if we approach from the driver's side, let me open that door up. We have memory buttons, unlock, lock, door pull, window controls, side mirror controls, tailgate release down there. Some more pockets in the door. Again, full power seat. There's a look at both front seats there. And let's turn our attention over here to the steering wheel. So we've got cruise control functions on the left, media functions on the right. And we've got your display here, center instrument display. And up top, there's your glass roof opening. It's massive. We also have some lighting controls here. Visor can come down. That opens up with the light. And it can come out as well. And then down here, you'll see that we have your pedals. Winter mats are in. And over here is your hood release. It says 2 times on it, so it's 1, 2. So when we arrive to the front, we won't have to find anything underneath here. You just have to lift this up. And there it is, the beautiful B48 2-liter inline-4 twin-power turbo, 241 horsepower, 295 foot-pounds of torque. We have this nice strut bar going across, positive battery terminal, negative battery terminal post, washer fluid over here. Nicely appointed engine bay, and BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. It just means they both have to latch at the same time. So if I bring the hood about halfway, fingers on the rondelle so don't put fingerprints in the paint, you literally want to just center down. Beautiful. So before we conclude the video, I just wanted to do one more final lap all the way around the car. This color looks really good. I think a lot of people aren't brave enough to take it, but I'm glad that we're offering colors like orange and green and such on our vehicles. And I like the design. So how do you like the smallest sports activity coupe in our lineup, the X2 in Utah Orange Metallic? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2025 BMW X2 xDrive28i in Utah Orange Metallic with the black interior. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMWDurham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.